Hey guys, back in the pool. I'm really sunburned. I fell asleep in the sun yesterday and I'm suffering from it today, but I've been in the pool every single day. I've been surfing and it's been absolutely unbearable heat, and look, and on a speedboat I've had no lifting whatsoever. Been snorkeling, I've done everything I wanted to do, haven't I, Mum? Mum, how do you feel the hair has changed me for the better?
Oh, it's been amazing. He's got a new lease of life.
I have, honestly. I feel like a different person. Oh, look, I'm peeling. I peel terrible, but there's been no lifting. The sun hasn't affected it much at all, and this very intense sun here in Thailand.
Painful.
Painful, actually. I've had to exfoliate my whole face, but yeah. Thanks, guys.
Hey guys, thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe below, and have a good look around our website at hairforall.com.